Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and in this video I wanted to do a overview and kind of explain what this can be used for. This is a snap-on, I think it's called an AC Master Kit. What it is it's a valve core removal tool, but it's not just like a regular Schrader valve. Like, you can get AC tools like that, but this actually will retain your refrigerant so it doesn't come out. You don't have to take it all out and hold a vacuum and then take the Schrader valve out. I got this for my car. It's not for like commercial use. My car uses, I think it's the M8 Eton style, and unfortunately I don't think I can find just that separate one on Amazon from a no-name company. And I have access to a Snap-on dealer, so I went ahead and got the Snap-on one. And I would like to say, I think if you really want this, I would try and get the Mastercool one. That being, the Mastercool one's about $150, bounces around, but it's usually under $200. This one was well over $300, late 2022. So, and I think it looks identical to the Mastercool. It is made in Taiwan. So I don't think this is something Snap-on makes. I'm pretty sure this is just a rebranded one. If you look up the Mastercool version of this, it's pretty much, I think you get all the same stuff. The case might be a little different. But you can see here, the Snap-on numbers up there, ACT1297, and it shows you how it works. Again, I guess since it has the parts breakdown there, maybe your Snap-on dealer could get you an individual one. But I figured for the price of it, I think a lot of them cost a lot. It just made sense for me to get this whole kit. And I would also check on eBay. I have seen these pop up. Usually they're kind of beat up, they're used, but sometimes you'll find one which will probably be like my situation, where I'll just use it to change one thing and then probably not, hopefully at least not have to use it again. So maybe I'll sell it, I don't know. And I think I'm going to link a video. There are some people showing it, but I think there's like just like a kind of a advertising type video that just shows like if under a minute how it works. The concept is this ball valve here that'll seal off how this works. So whatever size you need to do. So I mean, you could probably want to do this, make the connection a little bit tighter than hand tight so you don't lose any refrigerant. But you get this nice good quick release to go on there on your fitting, and then you'll pick whatever one correlates to your valve. And I think I might be missing a step here, but again, the videos show. But the concept is that you'll stick this through. You can undo your valve core tool or piece. Then you can lock this so that'll keep the refrigerant from escaping. And then you can take the valve core out, put the new one on. Haven't done it yet. I'll probably watch some more videos, but just to show what all you get with it. And then you can open the valve back up, put the tool or the core back in, all like that, real simple. Don't have to use a big refrigerant machine or anything. Just do it all with this. But this gives you plenty of options here for all the different sizes, all the adapters and everything you need. I think I'll just leave that there. That's the concept of how it works. So again, I think I would check for the Mastercool or look on eBay, save some money. But if you deal with Snap-on regularly and you don't mind paying a little more for probably the same product, then you can get this from Snap-on. Unfortunately, I didn't see any videos on YouTube of this Snap-on version, so here it is. It should work the same. Again, should have everything that it takes, although it is R134a. I don't think it's the YF or whatever that most recent one is, but hopefully those cars are still new enough that they aren't going to need the valve cores changed right away. But unless they can make an adapter, I'm not sure how the cores are, if they are different on that. I don't know anything about the newer systems, but either way, this should work for my car. So I just figured I'd show this is what the Snap-on version of it is. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good one.